In this video, we're going to show you how to replace one of our gas charge cartridges with one of our maintenance-free ECT tubes in one of our status flow units. In this example, remove the 1 1/4 inch nuts from the bolts holding the Victaulic top together. If your unit does not come with a Victaulic top, follow the proper instructions to remove the top correctly. Once each side of the Victaulic top is removed, it will expose the rubber gasket seal. At this point, you can take off the rubber gasket. Check underneath the gasket on the sealing surface for any gouges or marks that may prevent a proper seal. You can now remove the old gas charge cartridge from the unit. Be careful while doing so as to not damage the internal core valve coating. Once the cartridge has been pulled out of the case, inspect the internal core valve coating for any damage. If there are any burrs or areas where the core valve coating is missing on the unit, please contact PPC for repair or replacement recommendations. At this time, you are ready to install the ECT. Note the eye bolts on the top of the head for easier lifting. Carefully begin inserting the ECT tube into the case. Be careful of the pinch point between the ECT tube itself and the case of the unit. Ensure the head of the ECT and the top of the case are properly oriented. The area shown here is where the gasket will be installed. Ensure when installing the gasket that it sits between the upper and the lower grooves. Once the gasket has been installed, you can now reinstall the Victaulic top. Ensure that both sides of the Victaulic top interface with the gasket correctly. Next, reinsert the bolts for the Victaulic tops and tighten the 1 1/4 inch bolts appropriately. Finally, use the bleeder valve to fully evacuate any air from the vessel. Once done, close the bleeder valve. You now no longer have to worry about pre-charging your status flow unit. You have properly installed our maintenance-free ECT tube.